With the earliest evidence of pulleys being used during ancient Egypt, they are considered one of the 6 simple machines. They may be considered simple, but do you know how they operate? In this episode of Radwell's How It Works series, we're going to explore how pulleys operate. For starters, let's review the main components of a pulley to provide a better understanding of how they work. Depending upon the type of pulley, each will consist of at least one wheel, along with a hook, and a flexible chain, cable, or rope. Now that we've reviewed the basic components of pulleys, let's talk about how they work. With a one-wheel pulley, the chain, cable, or rope is looped around the pulley and connected to the hook. Easing and raising one side of the chain will allow for the hook to be lowered and connected to the object. Pulling down on the side that was raised, the load that the hook was connected to can be lifted upwards. This pulling movement can be done by a person or a motor, but provides an easier ability to lift heavy objects than can be done on our own. Though this is an example of a one-wheel pulley system, multiple wheels can be used to create more types of pulley systems. The more wheels in the system, the heavier the object that can be lifted. As one of the 6 simple machines, a pulley provides exactly that, a simple way of making it easier to lift an object than lifting the dead weight by hand. If you like this information on pulleys, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more information on industrial products and processes. For information about Radwell, visit us on the web at radwell.com or connect with us on social media. Thanks for watching!